Your Twitter profile is the most important thing, or X profile, whatever you want to call it, is the most important thing that you can have on social media. This is an opportunity for you to sign clients, get paid deals, get prospects, get book calls, grow a personal brand, and sell your services and sell your skill as a service, and even learn skills. So I'm going to talk through today just exactly how your profile should appear and how it should look, and show you a couple of examples of other students. Between myself and my students, we've made over $1 million in the last year. Like, it's insane. It's absurd that we can actually achieve these results just from Twitter. So follow up, listen in, and we'll dive right into it. So let's take me as an example first, right? I sell publicly a coaching program on Twitter, and I help, again, my students get results and get 3 to 10 high-ticket clients for their freelance business in 180 days, guaranteed, or get a refund. Okay, that's our guarantee right now. Now, from there, that's the bio. So your offer or what you do should be in the bio. Now, your name needs to be something that stands out. Mike the Freelance Guy. This to me works absolutely beautiful. I'm teaching freelancers how to build a freelance business, or aspiring freelancers how to build a freelance business. From here, Casually Converts, my company, #1 place to learn elite freelancing. So we're premium freelancers. We're not freelancers that are charging nothing, essentially $2-3 an hour. We're charging premium prices because that's the way we want to be. We want to be valued for our time. We want to be valued for our skill set. So we're going to charge as such, and for that, okay, and for the results that we can provide for our customers. Now, what I typically recommend is you can charge 10% of the value you bring to your customer. So if your customer is going to make 10k off your landing page or copywriting, charge 1,000. If they're going to make 100k, charge 10,000. Okay, and we can kind of work this out by speaking to them and being open to them. With your profile picture, have it clean, optimized, face picture, be professional. In my opinion, the less professionals don't work as well if you're trying to sign clients through your personal brand. It's important to be professional on here as well, but you can be personal. From here, you can use your link on Twitter or X as a join here. You can literally edit and type in. So you could say book a free call here and use this arrow, this emoji, and point it to your landing page or your website. That's that. Okay, so that's how your profile should be set up. Now, the other thing here is pinned threads, pinned comments, pinned tweets. Have it either as a case study or as a basically a guide that can tell people and teach people exactly what you do from A to Z. Tell them everything. Give it all away. Give too much of it away. Okay, that's that. So you have two options there for that. Now let me show you a couple examples. Let me show you Alex first of all here. So Alex, you can see here social proof with these logos, landing pages, CRO and SEO for Shopify brands, and his company name here. Again, professional picture. The branding is on point here. It's beautiful. It's fantastic. Shopify. Again, he has it in his name, Alex Shopify Replo landing pages. This is what he does. This is what he's selling. When you look this up as a prospect, who's coming up? Alex is. Scaling Shopify brands with landing pages, CRO and SEO, reduce ad spend and increase CVR. Replo partner, social proof here, showcasing exactly what he does here. Book a free call. This was what I was telling you about a minute ago, his landing page. Here, he's basically showcasing what he's done for a client. This is fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna like this. There we go. So next up, for example, Osh, CRO and landing pages. I help Shopify brands scale. Very similar layout. Shopify brands. Book a free call. Landing page. Pinned thread showcasing what he's capable of doing. Let's look at Molly. Molly's done a fantastic job. Slightly different offer, helping business owners generate more revenue with custom built sales funnels. A professional picture and the branding again. Notice the branding on all these people: the green, the blue, the yellow here. Sales funnel builder. So if we're looking for funnels, she's going to come up. Sales, she's going to come up. Helping businesses 2x their conversions in 90 days without the stress of figuring out complex marketing tactics. This is fantastic in my opinion. She has free resources, or else you can go on her landing page and book a call. That's it. And again, a fantastic pinned thread that will basically tell people exactly what to do A to Z. So these are fantastic examples of students of mine that are doing really, really well on Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it. And this is how you can do the exact same. Set up your profile like so, and it's easy from there. Take care. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me. Like this video, helps the algorithm, helps me out a lot. And comment if you've any questions, feel free. Check the description below as well. I got some absolutely fantastic stuff coming. And if you want to actually get in this program and apply to see if you're a good fit for the program, look at the link below and we can book a call in and have a free call together and go from there. Take care. Talk soon.